So we are new our channel we so Miss Robo more than subscribe said that be that me post video for be on YouTube push video number first. Eti for me cheche obi biara Miss Romo. We are Bema and I say Oba team ye Miss Robo be was on a team ye. I do me babe children. It's very important for you to know it. And tell me babe church mo Miss Robo team ye. One idea where you could tell me way. My be so not here. One idea way. One day way, Fenny, maybe only by my body natural. Black seed, so what I say, black seed. Yeah, Muslims, your friend Abatu Sudan. And the idea, me person me chose black seed way. So, we are beer, we are Bema. Sometimes, o feel say, o jinswa, uti pain, ever Bema. Number one, no. Number 2, so ko jaw na ya otimun say asa o force ade no emba. Number 2. Number 3, bema also spread say obema no eye kitikiti. Tini you asa eye kitikiti. That's number 3. Ana bema won say o performance no so tiase enko ye. That's number 4. The obey na say obenya black seed way. Metimika de bia se ade no a me cheche mu no unnim se unye bia mesro metumbi so what I say metumbi ye obi wo ho ana correct one so na ebi wo is a fake one ho enti unya black seed na mesro obesa ewa agua onsamu say so what I say be half spoon ana say ebe edebi be half spoon so what I say now uda go no mu na wa we so what I say enyo no kakra so what I say anu edin so what I say until we are but more they say we are can be 30 minutes so what I say be 30 minutes no pe warm water open warm water me so no anuma go so what I say onuma fade and what did first in the morning and obey so what I say first in the morning me so church said my church mo ye ni sa first in the morning ana a man also say uyo bana sometimes o period o bana like what me won say why ask you ya to was say period no be bia ti sa onya problem ti sa onum painkillers so as I miss avoid these painkillers na ya dia metry also sa na fago onum na we so what I say miss we are no up warm water anu agusu and sana what did and the idea won follow for more tips like this.